Hey, what are you guys doing here? Well, you found me. I'm back up at the mill again. Oh, I tell you, it has been so nice here lately. Like low 70s and just like 40s at night. And now today the real feels 87. So I feel like I'm ready to burst into flames. But anyways, today's what is it? September the 12th. We have got a black cherry on. No kidding. Can you imagine? Like how often? I don't even know when the last time I saw a freaking black cherry log. But anyways, here they are. So it's a banana. It's a heck of a banana. Hold on, I'll get you off of here. It's a banana. I think this is the one that I cut months and months ago. It had a hard lean. When I cut it, it split out. So, anyways, so this dude is going to be 2x4s. So I have a project that I need 2x4s on, and I only have two left from the last projects I did. So the rabbit hutch and the cat house. I have two 2x4s left. I do have some boards, but I need 2x4s, and then 2x4s, and then I have these guys here that we're laying up here or setting up here, so I'm probably just going to use them for on the roof. This is I'm not building another rabbit hutch. I'm fixing a rabbit hutch that I screwed up. So my fault right here. What's that? I don't know. Johnny B's thing. Nelly of the week or douchebag of the week or whatever it is. But anyways, I need 2x4s to fix that. And then I need, so the roof is bad on it. It was my fault.
A few moments later.
Woo, that's ugly. Holy shit, this is heavy. Watch out, people. Watch out. Holy. The toes all right? Hey, son. Oh, my God. Woo! What am I doing with this thing? This bitch is heavy. Alright, so here's what I'm doing. Can you see that? Alright, so I'm going to take, that's how I mapped this board out. A 3/4 board, 1-inch board, 1-inch board. That'll get me to my 4. Okay. Then I'm going to go, I have 2 boards on the back of the RTV that I'm going to throw on here. And I'm going to cut, this is 4 inches. So I'm going to throw them on here and I'm going to put them and edge them for 5-inch boards. Then I'll put them on along with these. And then I'm going to flip this way, cut this 3/4 or whatever this guy is right here, and cut this one and this one. And I'll get a whopping 3 2x4s out of this. And then we'll put that thing on over there and see what we can get out of that. Probably just, I don't know. We'll see. That's what we're going to do. Mother! What's up, Kiva? Last cut, boys and girls. This thing's got some freaking tension in it, though. I can tell you that. I don't know. It's up off of the damn bunk here. It's on all the other ones. What's up, girl? Nice to see me. This sucks. Oh, it's better. Better than it was. Here we go. Well, there it is. Definitely spinning in the middle. It's got so much tension. Yeah, this way. That's half an inch. Half an inch here in the middle. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. You know? Definitely makes for a crappy ass board. Yeah, it's like 3.5 out there in the center. It's that bowed this way. Oh, geez, Louise. All right, so I ended up with 3 2x4s and a bunch of, I don't even know how many. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boards. And then this guy, I don't know what I'll use that for. But I know I could have got another 2x4 out of the top of that, but I need boards too. So I'm going to try to muscle this thing back up on and try to make something out of it. So, all right, this is the second log. I didn't show it. It was pretty small. I had to use lots and lots of toe board. But check this out. So I ended up with three 2x4s out of this one. And then I ended up with these, like, I guess you could call them battens. I don't know. I have a use for these guys, though. I know exactly what I can use them for. And I have 3 flitches to cut. That's going to be my last cut. But look at my last cut right here. Look what I just found. Zing! And look at this. Now this was, at this end, this tree was probably 14 inches. Look where the pith is. Like, that was literally center of the tree. Crazy, huh? Freaking crazy. I don't have anything to dig it out here, but when I take it down, I will.